what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about it.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. This will be my second YouTube video, but ngayon lang ako magpapakita. So, ngayon po, ang gagawin natin is mag-room makeover tayo ng room ng mother ko. Last time, itong room na to, yung makeover natin. Kasi po, nagpa-renovate po kami ng second floor. Naabutan na ng lockdown yung pag-aayos ng mga paint and all. I have decided po na ito na lang yung mag-aayos. Then, gagawan ko ng video yung renovation. Maliit lang yung room niya. 6 square meters lang yung room. And, ito din, 5 square meters lang siya. Mas maliit tong part na to kasi dun sa room niya. I will show you guys kung ano yung mga binili ko kanina sa Wilcon for the room. This one, ang color niya is pretty in pink. I bought this for 612 pesos. 4 liters na siya. Sobra-sobra siya dun sa room. This one, I bought black and white na maliit lang from Boysen. Black and white. Gagawin natin siyang gray. Bumili ako ng mini filler. Yan. Meron akong handles. I bought this for 45 each. Yung malaki, 41 pesos lang siya. At syempre, ang brush natin para sa corners and yung mga dulo. At syempre, ang ating brick wall sticker. Ganyan. Ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. Ang size nito is 70 by 77 centimeters. Before kasi binili ko siya sa Lazada for 69 pesos. Nandun sa first video ko, 69 pesos lang siya. Pero ngayon kasi mostly nang nakalagay sa Lazada is 140 pesos na each. So, yun yung mga binili ko kanina na gagamitin natin for this budget makeover.
First step, dapat linisin muna natin yung mga gamit. Ilabas muna natin. If may curtain sa room, tanggalin din muna natin kasi papalitan ko na din naman to. So, tatanggalin ko na. Also, para mas makakilos tayo ng mas maayos.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want.
Na natin ng paint yung left side na wall. Before natin ilagay ang ating blind, syempre ilalagay natin ang ating brick wall sticker. Dahan-dahanin mo lang yung paglalagay kasi nag-stretch siya. I-drill muna natin yung pagkakabitan ng ating Venetian blinds. Nabili ko nga pala to sa Daiso, worth 388 pesos. Guys, hindi to kasama sa budget natin kasi pwede naman iba yung ilagay natin yung mas mura lang or kung ano yung available natin. Ready ka na ba, Mami?
Oo naman.
Wow. Ito na.
Ka-surprise.
Ah!
Ang galing naman.
Check it.